Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed overboard.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. So today guys, I am in my bathroom and I am doing a little bit of a spring refresh, and I will be changing some stuff out. I will be changing out the shower curtain and adding a little bit of spring decor in here. Some things I did go ahead and do off camera, like the shower stall. I cleaned that out off camera, and the toilet also. The floor, I washed the floor and everything else. So all I have left to do is just the mirror and the vanity. So I'm just going to finish off wiping up the counters, and then we'll get into the decorating. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ketura, and I love sharing aspects of my home and lifestyle with you guys. I do live in a small 3.5 rental, but I use my small apartment to show you how you can create luxurious spaces of beauty, comfort, and functionality, no matter where you live and no matter the size of your space. So this is the shower curtain that I will be using in the bathroom. I got this shower curtain at, I think it was HomeSense. Yes, most likely it was HomeSense. And as you can see, it has a really pretty spring floral pattern on it. It's in the colors blush pink, I think, and yellow. The colors that I've been using throughout my space over the last couple of weeks. Now, the hooks that I am using are the double-sided hooks. I got them again from HomeSense, and I've had them for a while now. So on the inner side, you would hang the liner, and on the outside, on the other side, you would hang the shower curtain, as I'm doing now. So while I'm at it, just to draw your attention to the tension rod. This tension rod, when I moved in, was completely covered in rust. The downside is it cannot be removed. There's no way I could remove the tension rod from where it was. And so I had to get creative. So I used electric tape, and I just wrapped it all around the tension rod, and I was able to cover up all of the rust. This vase is also from HomeSense, and I've also had it for a number of years now. I think it was $12.99 when I bought it, and it's pretty heavy. So to this vase, I'm going to add some hydrangeas that I picked up from Dollarama. Each pick was $1.75, I think, $1.75. So I'm going to add these 3 to the vase.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me.
The candle that I will be adding here is also from Dollarama, and as you can see, it has a label with strawberries on it. Now, I don't want to see that label, so I'm just going to turn it around and allow the plain side to show.
In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Da 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 da. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, in other words.
So guys, we are nearing the end of the video. If you stayed with me up to this point, I want to thank you so much, and continue watching right through to the end to see how everything turned out. So friends, this is it. Thank you so much for staying with me, if you did, right through to the end. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy what you saw, please give the video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section. I'm looking forward to reading what you guys have to say about the video. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you so much for your love, for your support, for your constant encouragement. Take good care of you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.